he'll be riding my TNT and I'll be riding his Honda CBR 600. After a years, my dream has come true to have a hand on this bike, and she's like super duper loud. Others are also loud. The Z800s are killing, man, killing. Then the KTMs are also with the aftermarket exhaust, so everyone is on a loud mode. Okay, so let's ignite. Look at the sound, brothers. As of now, I haven't pulled yet because मुझे पैच नहीं मिल रहा है. पूरा डाउनहिल है, कॉर्नर से भरा. So I'm like super duper slow क्योंकि मेरे हाथ की गाड़ी नहीं है. This is my friend's bike, so I don't want to. But still, I can feel she has a lot of power. Lot of power means a lot of power. Okay, let me. Oh my goodness. The power is so massive that I can't control my horses. And the cherry on the cake is the exhaust note. It is with an aftermarket exhaust. She sounds damn amazing, damn amazing. Even the Z is also with a megaphone, acropovic megaphone, aftermarket catback. One is with a catback and one is a full system exhaust. We have two bikes in our group. She's so smooth. I have just fell in love with her. I need to make some plans to go for a 600 now. I think I should do. I'm in just love with my bike. I mean, with this bike. Oh god, I'm started loving this so much that I'm calling her my bike. Corner, man. Just loving this machine. Just loving this machine. Oh, he's just with me. My friend is also making up with me only. I guess you don't have any भरोसा कि मैं उसका बाइक गिरा दूंगा. होना भी नहीं चाहिए. इतनी अच्छी बाइक है, महंगी बाइक है, तो होना भी नहीं चाहिए. बट yes, I also make sure that मैं उसका बाइक पीसफुली चलाऊँ, ना कि उसको वाइट लगा के दूँ. But yes, one thing I should say, I ride a naked street bike which is upright in position. ये थोड़ा हाथ उठाने का काम है.